All right. How is everyone doing on this wonderful long weekend? Hopefully you guys are enjoying time with family and you guys are getting some nice relaxation in this weekend, huh? All right, man. So we got the weekly close coming here in about 40 seconds. This is a very strong weekly candle. You guys can see this is a bullish engulfing candle. We are right at this top of this range here, all right, on the weekly time scale. All right. So we can clearly see this is the area that we're at right now. All right, we're at the top of this range, and we're coming into contact right now with the 200-week EMA and the 250-day moving average. All right, pretty big stuff here. I mean, you could say that we did get a little bit of rejection right here, but not a crazy amount of selling, right, going into this, right? Not a crazy amount of selling going into this. Wow, we just printed a weekly sell signal. That's interesting. So what? I mean, are we going to dump now? Like, this is it? This is the top? I don't know. We'll see. That's really funny that we printed a weekly counter trend here on regular time scale. But on regular candles, we're not showing that. In my opinion, we're probably going to cross through this to the upside, not to the downside. In my humble opinion, we're probably going to break this at some point. The weekly here is elevated on the volatility. We just crossed into bullish territory for the first time in quite a long time. So to me, this really looks interesting. Okay. Yeah, I think. I mean, I know we're printing like a an early sell signal here, which is fine. We get early sells come in. We got one here in January before this big run up here. We get them. I mean, it happens. But I think we're built. Positive momentum still building here in a big way. We could see short-term downside, sure. I mean, we're right at the top of this range. We could pull back to, I don't know, 20K or something. That still wouldn't shock me. But it really still wouldn't shock me if we actually just busted through this moving average, because lots of people think we're just going to get rejected right here. So why not just squeeze it and rip right through it? Right. So yes, there was definitely some rejection at 25. No doubt about that. Like we got some wicks there, right? But we're close. Yeah. I mean, until we really engulf like this, or break below 23, 23.8. Daily's still long. The hourly might be short. You might see some short-term downside, right? But this just to me looks like a nice thrust up. We got a pullback, and now we're just gonna lig through this, man. That's what this looks like to me. I mean, what do I know though? I don't know. We may not bust through this right away, but it looks to me like we're going to. Lots of these setups look primed for that move. So I guess we will see how this does, but looks very interesting to say the least. Right. I mean, we don't have the 2-week signals aren't throwing. I mean, we're still technically short from this top here, but I don't know, man. Like this still looking like it's just building up some positive momentum here on the 2-week chart. Right. This is I think this is going to be a big week for price action, and we haven't even really spiked on the volatility on the 2-week chart. The weekly chart started to break, right? 2-week has it, 3-week obviously has it, and monthly not even showing any volatility spike. But monthly buy signal came in back here in October, and obviously we took a few months to bottom out before going back up. So over the course of the next few months, man, to me just seems like we're gonna probably just go up. At least to maybe go test, 36K. That's to me, that's what it looks like, right? Go test this equilibrium level around 35K. That's probably a good range to, look to take some profit. That's a major level right here. Okay. Between 30 and 35K, that's going to be a major spot, right? I don't use any traditional stock trading type of accounts. I just use, either KuCoin, Coinbase, or Bybit. So yeah, it looks interesting. We're like right at a major level, the 25K region. If we can break through that, man, really just blue skies up here till about 30-ish K, right? Because this is a straight down type of movement. You can see on volume profile, once we get above 25, there's really nothing here. Like basically to like 27K. See, that's where I think you guys are, I mean, I know the economy isn't really doing so hot and everything isn't looking so hot, but like, let's just go to like Amazon, for example. Okay. This is like the market driver leader for the tech sector, right? I mean, we're showing some monthly bull div here on the stochastics, right? This looks great. And, weekly chart, sure, we're going to get maybe an oscillation back down. 2-week chart still pointing up. So, next week we could get some consolidation or maybe even a pullback here for Amazon, right? The Amazon chart actually doesn't look as good as some of the other charts, but yeah, we'll see how that goes. But Google, let's see what's Google looking like these days. Google's still holding his lows, man, right? So like, I don't know. Monthly signal came in December. Just starting to round it out, right? We'll see how this week goes for Google. See if we can get a movement back up and close above back above that 108 area. But yeah, the stock market to me, I don't know, man. I feel like crypto has lots more upside than the stock market. More people are paying attention to crypto now. Earnings this week. Let's see. And what we got? We got anything good? Any big market caps? We got John Deere. I don't know if I'm going to play that. NVIDIA. Yeah, I mean, NVIDIA definitely reversed its trend. And that doesn't look so good on the daily, man. I'd probably be looking to short that, right? You don't want to buy this stuff up here. I don't know. Earnings are tricky. Yeah, I mean, we got a 3-day early sell signal coming in. Like, yeah, I mean, you got some 3-day bearish divergence. I'd probably be looking to pick up some. Let's see. I mean, I don't know, man. Yeah, maybe some puts for NVIDIA this week. That doesn't look so hot up there. with that divergence coming in. I mean, what's this done? This has done it's done a golden mean ratio retracement from its swing high to its swing low. So that would make some sense for it to retrace back down to like, I don't know, $1.80, maybe hold that and then rally up to like 285 or something. Right? That looks like a good short trade up there for Nvidia. Probably some good risk to reward up here too. Yeah, you're towards the top of a channel. I mean, you can come back down to the bottom of the channel, right? Netflix. Yeah, Netflix also looking like it's struggling for momentum here. One could argue that this is a potential rising wedge in formation here on the daily chart. Also doesn't look too hot. This looks like maybe some downside coming for Netflix. At least to retest, 322 or something. You break this trend line and it could free fall down to $300. I mean, why not? What's going on, Paul? Teledoc? Sure, let's take a look at that. I mean, this actually doesn't look too terrible, right? Like, this actually, well, but this probably has more upside, right? Because this hasn't even done a 23.6% retracement from its swing high. So this, it wouldn't make sense to short this. Yeah. Huh. Sure, we can take a look at Cowie. Some shit penny stock, man. What the F is this, bro? I don't know what this is doing, brother, but the weekly doesn't look too terrible. Looks like you had some weekly bullish divergence. Got it getting across up here, so that's good. All right, so let's take a look at Tether. We might as well look at this too, just to kind of get an idea of what's happening here. So Tether on the weekly closed, just below. We got a closure just below the 50-day on the weekly. All right, so that's pretty good. We want to see continuing to break these moving averages. Obviously, the more we break the moving averages, the more the market can go up. We have a weekly short that's in here. It's still short. We can go to the monthly chart. We can see we're getting that. We got that back test or rejection we were talking about. So our next real level here for Tether is that 6.18 region, which to me means market's probably going to go higher, crypto market in time. And so, no early signals coming here on the monthly for buying. We're really, once we start getting early buy signals on the monthly Tether chart, that's when you really want to be looking to lock in some profits and stuff, because when that starts to pivot or show us areas where we could see the market reverse, we could really start to see the market crash, right? So we're not showing any of those signs right now. We're actually showing signs that Tether is going to continue to come down over the next months, in which case crypto is probably going to continue its rally. All right. Gotta always zoom out, guys. Remember that. Zooming out is good. All right. So like I said, maybe short term, the next hours or so, we could see some downside. Right, we have Tether sitting on a support down here. We could see Tether come back up to like 6.76. So that could mean we see some downside for a bit, right? We'll see how strong this Tether retracement is down here at these lows. Yeah, I mean the daily is sitting down at this major support level, so we would like to see Tether just break this 6.57 region, and crypto will just rally if that happens for sure. So again, we're close to support regions here on Tether, right? So if you're in long trades, just be careful until we really confirm this area as resistance. All right, so let's take a look at cycle chart and fear and greed, right? So cycle chart says, cycle chart just says up, man. I mean, let's refresh this. So yeah, cycle chart just basically pointing up to like 30K region by March. And then fear and greed, we've entered the greed stage, or just starting to enter the greed stage. So yeah, be aware of that. That's something to pay attention to. All right. So how's everybody doing? You guys enjoying the stream? You guys do anything fun this weekend? Let's hear about it. We've been watching Compound, this asset. We just printed an hourly short, but I think it's late. We'll see how this goes. We're looking to re-enter this trade. We traded it from like down here, this 55.80 level up to about 50. I got out this morning around 58 or 59 bucks. But I started buying it back here around this 57.40 region. So I'm a little down on this trade right now, but I'm looking to add more to it. Maybe down at this support level where it broke out from around this 55 region. You got heavily intoxicated. Nice. Well, that's good. As long as it was in a controlled environment, I don't see why that's an issue. Yeah, so this thing's bringing 4 hours short. Yeah. I don't know, man. Is this really going to really start dumping again? Good. I guess it made a big move. All these shorts about to come in, going to be pretty boring until markets open back up. Well, markets are closed tomorrow, okay? So in my opinion, Bitcoin can just consolidate here when altcoins can actually do stuff. So if you're in the market to trade altcoins, I would say now's your time to do that. Like these alts are some of them are just gonna really rally. Rip. Like Filecoin blew up today, right? You guys see that? So I don't know. Not trading till Tuesday. Yeah, man, that's fair. Did you guys see Glimmer rip out too? I mean, like, dude, some of these coins are just gonna really just do some crazy stuff, man. I mean, we go to like weekly charts, you can see this is just starting its move, just crossing bullish here on the weekly chart. And you know, that closure right there is beautiful. Like we can see once it gets above the weekly 21, right? That's like 52 cents. We're not even too far away from that. This is just gonna do some crazy stuff, man. Weekly volatility coming in. Look where the RSI is, right? The RSI is down here at 25 on the weekly, man. I mean, come on, dude. Like, yeah, really. Some of these coins are about to really do some silly stuff. Okay. Even compound down here on the weekly closure. All right. Like, this is out, man. This is broke out. Right? Like, I wouldn't be like shorting this stuff, man. Like, it's still wrecked, bro. Like, it's just turning bullish on the weekly, okay? I don't know, man. I don't touch new coins, dude, so no, I have no opinion there. Right. This thing tried to hit $64 today. Now back above the daily 200-day moving average. All right, so that's big. That's big for compound, man. And I've been watching this one because as soon as it breaks this trading range here, guys, there's really nothing till about $100. Okay, like let's look left on the chart. There's nothing here. You know, it breaks you know, that range. There's really nothing here. Nothing here, man. You only got $84 and $98 on the daily chart. So once you break this range, this $66 range, man, there's nothing here. Good luck to the shorts. Good luck. Good luck. You know, sitting bullish on the 3-day chart here. Weekly chart just went bullish, right? This is a momentum shift, right? Like this low, this higher low, right? Starting to rally out, cup and handle out. Just pay attention to this. This is going to be a big mover, I think. Compound, all right? DYDX also looks amazing on the chart, on the longer term time scale, man. It really does. Like, if you guys go to the monthly chart on this thing, just, I'm not talking about the daily. The daily looks maybe extended or something, right? It made a lower high. You know, this could come back down to retest 248. All right, but like, go to the monthly chart. Monthly pivot in, all right? You know, sitting what? 30 on the RSI. I mean, come on. Just crossing up on the monthly. Silliness. Absolutely silly. What this thing might do long term. All right, we did a 38.2% retracement. Sure. Is it going to come back down? Sure, it can come back down to test 220. Why not? But to me, this is like a, I don't know, dude. Why would you want to short the DXY, bro? Technically, this is actually still out, right? Even on the 2-week chart here. If we go to the weekly, we could see we're still above the bottoming rectangle that it made. Okay. Yeah, so we got this pivot here. It basically consolidated along there. It back tested. So, man, this could be consolidating for another move up to test 364 again. All right. And that monthly RSI tells the whole story, right? So the next few months, we're going to see this thing do some crazy effing stuff, okay? It wouldn't really shock me to see this thing come back to all-time highs within the next 3 to 6 months if we get continued upside in this market, which is what is being implied, all right? So, yep. Lots of coins looking really, really primed for big movements. All right. Filecoin on the move again. I mean, dude, this thing is just, yeah, this thing is just getting started, dude. Yeah, this thing's been so suppressed for so long. Flow is another one. This one just starting its move. Look at the weekly just crossing up, picking up volatility here. Am I in any ISO coins? Yeah, Algorand. Have you seen that the Algorand chart, dude? This thing's absolutely a killer. Absolutely a killer. Right, top of the range. I think I showed this chart many, many times before. Right, bottom of the range on the monthly. What's this? What's this, bro? What is that? Please tell me what that is. What's that? E Burns. You know what that is. It's the falling wedge, my man. All right. With the monthly signal in. Yeah, massive swing trade here. We could take this all the way back up to the top. Take it all the way back up, man. Why not? That is a node wedge, Mr. Integrity Design. That is what that is. You guys ready to go to the moon? Because that's what's about to go down here. These charts look so good, man. I don't even know what to do with myself. I wish there was like thousands of people watching this stream, because 14 of you guys know what's up, but I'm trying to impact 1 million people, man. 1 million people know about the node wedge. Come on. Guys, this isn't like a daily chart. This is a effing monthly chart, okay? Silly, man. Some of these charts are just absolutely insane silly. Okay, I'm done hearing the song. I downloaded some new music. Let me know what you guys think about it. This one, I don't know if this is good. Matic. Matic looks like ETH when it was like $10. This thing's about to do something crazy, man. The audio levels are too low on the music compared to your voice. Is that true, guys? Or is that just him? I can raise the volume. It's not a problem. Yep, we'll look at Hex. Yep, I remember audio. I think I called that one out for you guys. There goes Compound. Send it. Yeah, dude. Matic looks absolutely stupid insane, all right? You guys know what this is, right? You got your top of the range, you got your bottom of the range. This is a bullish rectangle up here, or really a bull flag, okay? Bull flag from the bottom here to the top. We got a flag pole. All right, so this is our flag pole. If all else still stays the same, here's your Matic flagpole. And just measure, man. And so you may not do the whole movement of the flag, but if you do, you're looking at a $30 Matic. But I really think, $10 is probably a good sufficient target. That's the 1618 fib extension. And that's real, dude. That's not something being made up here. The monthly is easing along, dude. We're just crossing up on the monthly chart, all right? Momentum is just swinging to the monthly up. Just now swinging up. Are you guys listening? We're about to see some crazy shit. Excuse my language. But really, crazy stuff incoming on this market. Right, this was another consolidation rectangle. It's just flag after flag here, man. Who's ready? Who's pumped? Let's go! Smash it up, boys. Smash it up. We're going to take you through this one, all right? Hey, if you guys aren't subscribed to the alert service, make sure you guys do that. I'm gonna hold the price for those folks that want to do quarterly or yearly right now for crypto payments. Okay, it's $250 for the quarter. Come on, it's nothing, guys. I mean, really, the amount of money that is being made on some of these swing trades already is insane. Even if you don't even have that much capital to trade, really. 700 for the year, 250 for the quarter. Lock it in. And you can continue to lock that in every quarter or every year as long as you continue subscribing. But for everything else, I'm raising the price, man. I mean, I owe it to myself to raise the price. You guys know me for long enough at this point, what I'm talking about here on these charts. So you guys believe in what I'm doing and you've seen the results already. You guys know that I'm really not, I don't think my price is unfair, okay? And not to mention, I sit here on Sundays for free teaching you guys what's going on in these charts. Please let me know if there's somebody else on YouTube that does the same thing that doesn't charge for it. All right. Feel free to provide your feedback as well. I'm always open to that. I'm really just here to teach you guys and help you guys. Of course, I want to make some money while doing that. It's my time. It's my effort. Yeah, so your guys' feedback is just as important to me as well. You're living the dream. Hell yeah, bro. Cheers to you, man. We got 15 people watching the stream right now. It should be like 500 people, but hey. Storage is ripping, dude. Does anyone remember the stream where I called out storage last cycle? It was this move right here. It was this breakout right here where it went up 300%. It was the cup and handle. Does anyone remember that? Anyone remember that call? That was an epic call, man. That was epic. But yeah, storage looks great. Look at this shit, dude. OG storage looking beautiful on the monthly chart. Look at this thing, man. This thing is breaking out of a wedge right now as we're speaking. As we're speaking, it's up 12%. Okay? The node wedge on the monthly chart for storage. I was in on that. There you go, bro. There you go. Fuck yeah. Here it is, man. This thing is going straight to 75 cents. Straight to 75 cents. You guys listening right now? Are you listening? Nothing here, bro. It's straight up, straight down. You guys know how that plays out, all right? Weekly volatility just spiking now. Daily long is in. I don't know what else you guys need to see. This looks beautiful, dude. Next fib, 75 cents. We're going to wake up tomorrow and this thing's going to be up 45%. There you go. Call me crazy. But when you see structures like this, you cannot ignore them, all right, guys? I'm waiting for Loop Ring to do some stupid shit. This thing is going to do some stupid shit. You guys ready for Loop Ring, man? Please tell me you guys got a bag of this stuff. I got a pretty hefty bag of this one. Right? The monthly, just dojiing and making a reversal on the monthly chart. Bro. If this does what I think it's going to do, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not going to be on YouTube for very much longer, right? Nah, I don't make money off YouTube, so I'm losing viewers, man. What's the problem? You guys bored with the content? Let me know what you guys want to look at or what you guys want to do. What's going on, Bobby? Oh, yeah, Hex. Yeah, let's take a look at that. XRP, sure. I mean, not a lot of chart data here for Hex, but this monthly candle is beautiful. Nice downsloping consolidation structure here, right? Got a break on the structure. This is a big flag pattern here. Right, nice falling channel with flag. Something like this, man, you know? XRP is going to go to the moon, yes. $2 target for Hex long term. Short term looking at 17 cents once you break above 7.5 cents here. Shib, yeah, that was fun, right? I think we had that one on actually. I put that one on TradingView, right? The Shib call. Where is that? Here it is. A harmonic pattern, September 1, right? This is it. This is the trade, right? This thing 10x'd, I think, from entry. Yeah, this was sick, dude. That was epic. There it is. We were early given the entry. We gave, well, whatever, man. We got the bottom, right? 10x on that trade. Sick. Yeah, compound looks pretty ridiculous here, man. This is another harmonic structure, falling wedge type of structure. Target for compound, conservative target for compound is $480, guys. I mean, that's the C target here, right? I'm talking long-term swing here. I'm not talking tomorrow, but this could take some months to play out. But to me, this looks like something like this, something like this type of structure for compound. DeFi is going to blow up in some shape, way, or form. You know, it will. People are looking for yield, so I think it will. Cool. So we looked at Hex. Hex looks really good. Storage on the rip. MetalPay, man, this is another OG coin that's on the rip right now. Let's take a look at it. Yeah. Some of these coins are actually going to do something this cycle. It looks like, you know, they've been around for a couple of years and they had these crazy, you know, big swings, these big ranges. But look at this range. So, you know, even if this thing doesn't make new all-time highs, it could very well get back to the top of its structure or top of its range, which is a nice swing trade, right? Like if it goes back to $10, you're looking still at a 5x. That's great. You know, I don't really know too much about this project, but plenty of trade setups here, guys. Really, there are so many. Find a good project that you like and stick with it. All right, that's a break right there on the monthly for MetalPay. Another beautiful falling wedge type of structure. I mean, you can't make this shit up, dude. Wedges are everywhere. That's why I actually focused on falling wedge patterns for such a long time, because they show up everywhere. Most bullish structures end up in some sort of wedge formation, and you're going to notice that. Okay, if you guys have been trading long enough with me, you guys know that wedges come in on every single time frame, any time frame. All right, we'll take a look at XRP. Lots of drop off here on this stream. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know why you guys aren't liking the stream tonight. I felt like I'm doing a pretty good job. Yeah, ICP, man. I don't fucking know. I'm not touching that coin. It probably will do something though. But here's your XRP, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches along the bottom. That is a massive pennant on the monthly chart. Nothing bad to say about it right here. Monthly signal that's in. Another early buy signal that's in on the monthly with hidden bullish divergence here on the monthly chart. Thanks so much, Debek. Appreciate you, brother. So here you go, man. I mean, XRP, you guys are asking about it. I think once we round this corner out here, once we get around this area here, it's going to go up to test the top of the pennant. And you're looking at a major breakout if that happens, okay? Just from the bottom of this structure here to the top of the structure is a 1,500% move, man. That's significant, okay? 1,500% puts you at a $18 XRP. I don't think we're going to get that high. Maybe closer to $4 or $5. Who remembers the Urus call? Who remembers the Solana call? I did a video on it at $30. It ran to $200, man. Yeah. I mean, come on. Come on. If you guys aren't making money here, I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe you guys are doing something wrong. I don't know, man. But everyone should be making some money, man. Really, everybody should be doing it. I try to make it as easy as possible for you guys. Even for those people that aren't subscribed to anything. All right. Ethereum name service is something we should not ignore, by the way, guys. Look at the monthly on this sucker. This is just starting its move up. I know lots of whales that own a lot of this asset. Bottoming ascending triangle type of formation here. This looks really, really good, primed for a move. I mean, somebody could call this a bear flag. Sure, it's a bear flag, right? But like, what happens after you break out of this bear flag and you break it, you back test it, and that's what it's going to do, right? Yeah. So straight down equals straight up for a lot of these assets in down markets. So you want to be paying attention to stuff like this, like Ethereum name service, right? That one looks really good. Another one is Mover. I'm actually in that trade. Definitely don't want to be missing this one, man. This is going to do some stupid shit. Really is going to do some stupid shit, man. Monthly just turning, just rolling, okay? Listen, man, if you guys are in this market right now and you're watching the stream and you're seeing some of these opportunities that I'm showing you guys on the board, make sure you take advantage of it, all right? Do your own research. Obviously, none of this stuff is financial advice, but man, lots of opportunity here. H-bar looking fabuloso, right? Falling wedge breakout on the monthly. Broke out. We had a monthly pivot down here. Nice, dude. Beautiful. Post that in the Discord, man. Post that in the Discord for sure. H-bar looks nice, yep. Coming up to resistance here a little bit, but you know how the falling wedges go. We might get a back test and then a rally. Bro, are you guys seeing the Gala wedge, dude? You guys seeing this? Don't be shocked if this thing rips up to about 10 cents real fast, real soon. Monthly just reversed, man. ACH. Let's take a look at it. Alchemy Pay. Monthly candle just coming in, man. So I don't really know what this coin does, but if this is all the data on it, that's a wedge break, right? Yeah. Yeah, anywhere from the 4 to 6 cent region we could see before maybe a reversal. It's obviously breaking this area right here. So, you got some resistance around 4 cents. I can see that easily running to there before really, maybe pulling back or something. So, yeah, that looks good, man. There's not really any real resistance. It just went straight down. So, straight up it is. Monthly chart says up. All right. Stay patient. Stay patient. That's all I'm going to say. Got to stay patient in this market. Good things happen to people that stay patient. Nice, Crypto Fire. I think that's good, brother. EGLD Rose. Sure, let's take a look at them. So EGLD did a 38.2% retracement, which is in the bullish control zone for breaks back to the upside, right? Kind of a stretch on a wedge, but could be. For sure. Yeah, I don't know how to do that, but if you guys are good at that stuff and you want to help me out, I'd appreciate it. EGLD next real swing to about $70. We get continued upside, top of the range here, 68.90 in the middle of 2 fib levels right now. That looks good. I'm sure the weekly is nowhere near overbought. It's not. It's just entering bullish territory. So that's looking pretty good. Let's see. Dash, Rose. We traded Rose last cycle. That was a nice trade. Yep, missed the bottom. The bottom on Rose was 4 cents. But, pretty easy to plot this, right? Now that we know what it's done in the past, we know that this is the top and this is the bottom, all right? So really, your mid-range target is 13 cents. It's really that simple. So, yeah. Your 618 is about 9.6 cents. I suspect getting there pretty quickly, pretty fast on this. All right. Monthly chart, I'm sure looks fabuloso. Monthly just crossing up, man. Big move coming for this asset. Yeah, Rose in months could probably trade back to the top of the range, man. How's storage doing? Did that thing rip out some more? Oh my God. Storage. Rip it. Let's see. Flow is ripping, guys. That's what I'm effing talking about. Guys, you guys should at least, if you guys don't have the basic indicator package, you guys should get that. I mean, you get the volatility indicator, which pretty much tells you when we're going to see a big move. That's really all you need, man. When's the thing going to move, right? Oh, man, look, volatility just spiked here on the daily. Oh, man, that's so weird. We were at the top of this range. Oh, look, we broke the range. Come on. It's worth it, man. It's $67 a month for things that are going to help you really improve your trading. And, you know, I don't know. This is a break, hook, and go type of setup here. This is beautiful. This chart's beautiful, man. Look at this. Breakout, back test. Beautiful structure on that. That is a work of art. You want Falcon to come back? Hey, thank you so much, CryptoFire. Appreciate that, man. Oh, wow. This is the whole data on flow. Wow. You guys see what I'm seeing, man? Could it be? Could it be? Oh, my word. Now I know why I own flow. This is why I own flow. And how. That is a major wedge setup. Look at the monthly chart. Wow. Jesus Christmas. You guys see what I'm seeing, right? Target is what? $40. Yeah, I do chart on log all the time. Yep. Seems to work out pretty well for me. Did you guys see that upstart call I made this week? Speaking of a stock, dude, this one right here is going to go absolutely berserko ape shit. All right. Look at this thing. Another wedge setup, dude. We had the break and the back test, and we had the earnings last week. It pulled back. Woo! This is set up for major moves, guys. This stock back to, like, I don't even know, man. Probably this major resistance level at 86 bucks. This is crazy stock setup right here. There you go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I have nothing else to say. Anything else you guys want to take a look at? We've been live for almost an hour here. Aptos, sure. You mean you didn't buy it at 350 after my YouTube short video, man? Come on, what's wrong with you? This can pull back, man. I mean, this thing went nutso, right? Why can't it come back down to test 10 bucks? I got a weekly sell in on it. I don't know. Could just consolidate here. Did the wedge? It did the entire wedge move though. CSPR, sure. We spoke about this one before, right? Straight down type of shit. Making higher lows, right? Touching the top of the range. Weekly looking pretty good. Back above the 21 EMA. I mean, your real resistance is up here at 6 cents. You break that, it's home free, man. You're looking at, you can rally back up to like, 8. Right, you got these levels here to look at. Got a lot of confluence there around 10. But really, there's not like a lot, man. This shit went straight down. So if it really has some movement behind it, it could really rally. Yep, just got to be patient, man. Weekly volatility coming in. Right? And the monthly RSI is so wrecked, dude. This thing's at 1. It's at a 1, dude. Are you serious? Yeah, bro. I mean, like, this thing is... I don't know what they do, bro, but it wouldn't shock me if it did something like this, man. Wouldn't shock me at all. What the hell this thing does, I don't know. This looks like a shitcoin bottoming rectangle type of thing, okay? Straight down, straight up type of shit. With an RSI looking like that on the monthly chart, all right? Make sure you save this clip and play it for me in 6 months, all right? While you walk yourself all the way wherever you want. You'll be probably a rich man. Well, there you go, man. For sure, man, for sure. On a beach with bad signal. Yep. Ditch the phone. We don't need the phone anymore. Yeah, man. We haven't even seen anything yet in this market. We haven't even done anything yet. All right. Monthlies are just starting to reverse here on the monthly. So unless Bitcoin just decides to get shit on right now, which doesn't look like that's happening. Looks like it went straight down. And it's going to go straight up to 32K. Big reversal. Big reversal. And this could be where we pull back, which is maybe in May, right? Around 32K. For now, I think we're just gonna rip. What do you guys think about that? Yep. We will. All markets are gonna do that. Crypto is gonna need to cool off, man. After this run, it's gonna be a stupid run. right? Our next fib target here from this swing low to swing high is 27K. But really, we're looking at the 618 target, which is 32. All right, so I think we're going to get there. I'm going to flip to compound real quick because I'm actually going to trade on this. We have a daily long that's in printed. I think reversal coming here for compound. We're going to push. We attempted a rally here earlier today, but we closed green on the day above the 200-day moving average. Again, man, you used it as support and tried to rally off of it. That's really bullish, man. All right. We got this pullback. To me, this looks like maybe some sort of cup structure for a continuation. As long as Bitcoin doesn't shit the bed, I think that this is going to do that. Pay attention to compound. All right. We got an hourly long too. That's in early long. All right. Stochastics are about to cross back up here. 45-minute probably about to cross as well. We'll get a signal once we cross above 20. You can see the volume is receded here. All right. So this thing is setting up for another big move. Just pay attention. All right. This is now going to consolidate here for a bit before it actually starts. I mean, it could go lower if it wants, but unless the market really just starts crashing right here, which I don't think so. I think we're going to see this cup out. Right. Usually after you get these types of moves, you get a big move up. All right. Pays to be patient. Remember, zooming out is always what you want to do too. The monthly chart, weekly charts look bullish for this asset too. So staying patient is what you got to be. Put in a nice recovery candle here too. All right, I know it's still trading below the moving averages. We might consolidate here for this for a little bit. But once we get above 57.70, you can see there's not much here. It's gonna go straight to 58 bucks. All right, we've been live for an hour and 5. You guys hopefully enjoyed the content. You guys got something out of it. Maybe you shared it to somebody, a family or a friend. Make sure you guys join the Discord, right? That's in the description or the ticker window here at the bottom of the stream. Make sure you guys join the Discord. Check out what we do at STP. You guys have any questions about products or the alert service? The service that I lead, make sure you guys message me. I'm Mr. Know-It-All in the Discord. All right, like I said, we're having a sale going on right now. We will be raising the price on the alert service. So if you guys are interested in doing that or checking it out, you guys should. I think it's worth your time, especially even if you're a long-term swing trader. You guys are going to notice that a lot of what I'm posting is going to be relevant, even if it takes some time to play out. Okay. I could use an admin to get rid of the spam. Yeah. I'm working on a bot to do that for us. All right. So should be all right. Yeah, we get a lot of spammers and a lot of scammers and stuff. So we'll be trying to figure that out here shortly. When I get some time to work on it, I'll do it. All right. All right, guys. Thank you all for joining. You guys have a wonderful evening. We'll catch you guys sometime this week. Maybe I'll post some more content or something. All right. Keep you guys updated. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining. Catch you guys in the next one.